Hello, this is Not the End Crochet, and I'm coming to you today with lesson 11, and that is how to front post a stitch. Now, I've been experimenting with different types of stitching and combinations and everything, and I do know that you can front post a single crochet, a half double crochet, a double crochet, and a treble crochet stitch. You can do all of them. Now the slip stitch, that would be a really hard one to do, but I guess where there's a will, there's a way. It all depends on where you place your hook behind the post. That governs everything, how it's going to look, how it's going to lay, everything. Now, my current project is a Wednesday inspired snood to go with the cardigan. I just finished sometime last week on the 12th, I believe. But I want the snood to mimic the treble crochet around the collar. So that's what I'm working on. And I'm going to use this as an example to show you how to go back behind and post this stitch, okay? I'm sorry about my shadows, but my light's a little bright. Let me increase the size and see if that'll help. Maybe not. Okay. Now since I'm doing a treble stitch, I'm going to up it twice. Right here, this little hole back here between the last row before this one, that's where I'm gonna put my hook. Right back there. See? Then I'm gonna go over, pull it through clean, don't snag anything. And you don't want to be too tight on your tension at this point. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. There's your stitch. There's your front post treble crochet. Behind, and sometimes I use my thumb to help open that up. And I use my thumb and my index finger to pinch and hold that previous post. And there you have it. You might have to turn your hook a little, but it's worth it as long as you get the results you want. See how I'm using my thumb? Pulling up a little bit, pinching right here. Now this definitely is a yarn eater, but I got yarn going to town, so I'm not worried about that. If I'm going too fast, you can use your controls on YouTube to slow me down. I'm working slow so you can see exactly what I'm doing. And I just did a double, didn't I? Not concentrating. Wrap 2, because it's a treble.